You see, Jaden and Jabass, stay away from them, Dyema. Dyema, you're good by yourself, you know, my baby. You're good by yourself. Me no know you don't need them. Dyema win since you and them little cribby, yeah. You and them in the same class, you know. Jaden for have a child space. Jaden for holding space. Sometimes it hurt me to see upon life with Jaden. It hurt me. I want to put Japriya teeth in the fridge. I want to put the whole mouth part in the fridge. And him there foreigner look rough here. Him there foreigner look so rough. Japriya favor hard life. Not even filter can help. Him favor hard life for sure. Then what I wear, Rosalie, little big woman, come out and tell her how much. But mommy, you know do nothing. Then what I wear, she want to use the little baby as content. I tell her this, you know. Every time she not have nobody for cause she bring the little girl pan live. I make the little girl embarrass her. Shanta is just like she. Me say Shanta tell Rosalie say, but you know do nothing. How you mean, you know? The little baby attack some truth. You see, you can't rehearse the baby on live, Rosalie. You rehearse the baby off live. Offline, you rehearse the baby. So when time she come online, she fully know for say, yeah, confuse the child. And you know Shanta can't keep secrets. Me say the little baby say, but you know do nothing. All you do, you sleep for hours, wake. You understand me, eat, then go on live. Oh my God, I love those mom. Tapping the little girl on live. Tappy. You go like you're a good mother, you're not. But do you know, say me that buy the books them and everything already? No. Stop it. Stop spokes the child. But the way Shama favor mother woman, me say Shama can wear some hairstylist, come here people. Me say everything for sheetal and I save a goat. Everything for sheetal. Me say me not in a lie when me look on Shama yourself and see her. And she just go like a she long hair fit. Me don't know how the Shama here over there. But Shama for stop it now man. Then I say Destiny go out my sister. Destiny me not lie your dress look good but your favor candle holder. Destiny me not tell her when you go do your hip. Cause something on you want to push out. Me say the dress, me like the dress. What I wait for the top of my wear at Las Vegas to my birthday. Then Destiny always like my outfit and you come online and class me. Destiny, all you are a real mother woman, you know. No, for sure. You did really like my outfit and you come on live and class me. Eh? You did really like it, man. Me say I see Destiny, you know what? Me say Destiny if you have a candle holder when Destiny put on the clothes. Me I want them for candlelight service. Me not your little body favor ruler. Eh? Destiny just straight without a reason. Me I try understand. No birds is true. A whole heap of people we are chat today down to Cute Boss we are going to chat. Then Cute Boss are holding them waiting them napkin outfit there. Then Cute Boss if you look so good why you got the filter? Me can't understand how you come under filter and tap. Oh yeah girl look good. And my family them ensure say me look good. Cute Boss all when the clothes look good your body just nah bring it. And that's why them have models you know. And models supposed to showcase when they look good. But Cute Boss come here and my baby in the trouble you just start me attack boy yo. Yeah. I remember this way though. Cute Boss ever look pull up, Cute Boss look like when the function done. Me say me see her in one white top, me say me not in the line, me can't even tell if the white top look good in the trash she have it on. Me say some people just wear white like napkin. Me not in the line, Cute Boss your favorite, I tell you your favorite corned beef sandwich in the outfit. You know, your favorite birthday night party. No, me not trouble her, me just attack my mind. I remember them say me switchy, so I'm glad me and Cute Boss my friend. Japriya, you try hard for no know me though. But I don't know who name Shebada and I don't know. Then how your wife know me and she sent for you? How your wife know me and she sent for you, Japriya? I tell you say you're not real. I tell you say you're not real. That's why you take the lion and the universe and you just... I mean, don't want to say switch, you just... I'm supposed to mix up, that's why you're there. Remember when you see me, you say read all about it. The egg, what I did, I forgot about the egg, you know, like the hungry go away. Anytime I chat people, it come like my belly full. That's why anytime I sit down on the ends I chat people, and I get up with gas. Yeah, come I chat for hours. When me and my friend them lap with skirt over the gutter water, we chat for hours. Lord Jesus, thank you, darling, thank you. Because if you never bring this, I would cook food today. Thank you. I say, I'm glad you bring this, and when we done cook the food, you're gonna love it. Mwah.
Oh.
I want thing I like without anything you tell her, Shebada. You talk about you don't know me. I lick my licky for 6 like me I play English cricket. I lick my licky for 6 Japriah. You're too switchy for your man. You're too switchy for your man. And that way I talk about. Japan, I switch upon share. One thing, the first thing I tell you is to say, be careful when you're going on that individual then. No man, this tastes like chips, a banana chips, or plantain chips. I never switch. I give her a warning, I gave her a warning. I said, "Shit will not work in your favor if you continue." I did. I'm gonna switch up and say, the funny part about it, she sent me lion, tigers and bear. But I still tell her the truth. I'm not going out on Japriah because his wife says she like me. So I'm not going for him. I'm wife, I'm not going for him because this morning, you see, this morning me that start from him dental care. Now it's true, Japriah your wife, and you never for your wife because you're licky for your man. You're questionable. You're very questionable. The kissy face, they make you turn against Jakes. More know if Jake's an idiot, why Jake's never send you some suck out town? Them not have them filter there, them not have them emoji there. You switchy, you talk about me switch pan Shay. Me never switch pan Shay yet because me and Shay never signed by the hip. Oh, me never switch pan Shay. Shay's a taller youth for me. Oh, so I couldn't switchy. I use switchy. Shaq, big up yourself, my baby. Big up yourself, Shaq. I use switchy. You should have never do it. Akeem know how to buy you. Akeem never wrong when him say you're short of love. Yeah. Yeah, come at about. And me, see him switch up and Shay. Me never tell you say me, Shay and Jaden are besties. Me never yet come here so come tell you say me, Shay and Jaden are besties. The funny part about like me know Shay longer than enough for Uno. Your class Akeem, your class Rosalie, your class everybody you tell them oh them this and oh them that. And I can't believe say you might just change in the eyes of the public and you don't have no feeling towards that. What you say to yourself? Eh? What you say to yourself, man, when you're in a bed? Because I pay in a bed you do live, you know? I don't know if you're ill. You're bedridden, I pay in a bed you do live, pure in a bed. But the man with the fingernail, I wear the fingernail and bands, are you real teeth them there? Or a poutine? Are you real teeth them there or a poutine? But just want to know the same way you puzzle about my fingernail, I puzzle about your teeth them. I just ask you, we not communicate after we not cuss nobody, you say in a Japriah. It's just a cute girl like me and argue with a little girl like you. So guy, girl. Yeah, and him up in the camera, me with mouth like that, me not come up in the camera, my baby. Me with mouth like that, me a back off, go ahead. And that's how me a talk. Yeah, people you want to know, say now. And when me a laugh, them will think I echo me and echo. You know what nice? And when them take your sideway mouth, caca fart. Sometimes I can't bother brush teeth though, cause nothing in there for brushing really. Nothing in your mouth for brushing. Cause all your ruffles by your toothbrush supposed to cut up your sideway mouth. Can't pay gum around there so. Then come here. When you eat flour in England, you can't break off piece and stuck here so and call it a tooth. I said the teeth them in a Japriah mouth. If you went to your drop crack and it broke. I say in break front no full you know. In break front no full. Some other man you know, me not like we don't know so in a relationship, right? You know so no woman no loud. And you come on the internet and no for you embarrass on a relationship. No for you embarrass on a wife. No for you embarrass on a woman. This is somehow, you know, like Japraya, you're worse than a girl. You're worse than a girl for true. Honestly. You're worse than a big woman. You never know. It's an embarrassment. For real. It's an embarrassment. No for one man sit down on the app. Me don't know how girl open up and give no for one, you know. I could have never have nature for no boy on live. Never. You know me a old crystal. And I could have never have no nature for them boy upon live. Then me and my man can do the same workplace. This remember me and my and TJ. Dyema supposed to argue again as such a seller bar, as such a promoter bar and make her money. Now carry Dyema name come over here so a TikTok liar saying you nah mix me. Don't carry Dyema name come over here so cause you not hypocrite me mean. Don't carry Dyema name come over here saying anything Dyema say about figure it out is true. Anything Dyema say about figure it out is true. Figure it out is the young Japraya. Cause him a walk a tag Jaden and Jabass to give him a strength and put him back on the app. Dyema the first one we put you on the map. You know how long you the girl is stand and tell life and pum pum figure it out. And you know say a body you love because you are the girl. You know how long me cuss for Dyema. Worse like how me I look back Dyema friendship. Me cuss for Dyema. No combo Dyema. Cartel need a vagina. Cause she wanna make enough bad man stop talking to Dyema. She wanna make Dyema lose enough a bad man link. Cause nobody never really, you know, see nobody never used to this Dyema for true crystal. As since she a par with them, people start disrespect that. Who a cry? Dyema cry? What Dyema cry for? Hey, you know make me tie my blouse in this mama blood finger. What Dyema cry for? Talk to me quick and fast. Dyema cry, who trouble Dyema? Who trouble her? What she cry for? Who trouble Dyema? I would stripping her and show my birthmark them on my skin. It's who trouble Dyema. Me not run no joke now. I figure it out situation where I'm say. What Dyema cry for? Don't cry for me, Argent Dyema. The truth is I never left you. Why is Dyema crying? Hey, wanna promote me, man. I want my schoolmate to cry. Hey, figure it out. How are you there? You think I want to list that action? I'm afraid. You know what I'm going to say? Look how me deport myself. Him over Vanny and Dyema cry to him over Vanny. Then Dyema never get over him. Me and I still on top about this, don't appear one. Me and Dyema still on top about this. And I said Dyema no make no young boy want to know the direction of them body because them body want a compass, it don't know where to go. Eh? Them body just a sailing in the Pacific Ocean like Christina Columbus. Me and I talk about this. Oh, figure it out, them I talk about her. You know what is Dyema's problem? Dyema should not be on live. I did want to say this long time. Dyema don't go on live with Jaden and Jabass. Stay away from them, Dyema. Do not go. I don't know how to do it though, but you can't go in on a church. You never have a forgiving stomach. You can't go in on a church. One thing with Dyema, she has a forgiving stomach. I know if I use the tablet. I can't use the tablet, my love. Dyema have a forgiving stomach. Yeah man, she refused. Me no know. You see Dyema, dirty crowd. You see sometimes nobody attached to dirty crowd. You see Jaden and Jabass, stay away from them Dyema. Dyema, you're good by yourself, you know my baby. You're good by yourself. Me no know you don't need them. Dyema win since you and them little cribbe, yeah. You and them in the same class, you know. Jaden for have a child space. Jaden for holding space. Sometimes it hurt me to see upon live with Jaden. It hurt me. Me don't know how you sit down upon live and Jaden have nothing to do because Jaden don't understand the word. At the same Jaden didn't want to use you for bust it up and figure it out. You never know that. Me don't know how to do it. Dyema, you and them girl in a class, you know. You and them girl in a cut off of the same cloth. Dyema, stay away. You're better off on your own. You're better off on your own, my baby. Jesus have mercy, Dyema now learn. Dyema now learn. No for true. When Jaden has sent you request, block him. Block him. When him for offer, him suck energy. You don't need a syndicate. Dyema, you're a bad girl for your own. You do this thing longer than enough of them. Dyema, you do this one before camera come in and up. Remember when you do this in a year and you know, man have big camera upon them shoulders, so like building black. And you them a search line of the dance. Nobody now search for them people here. You always have to remember, you say if you don't stand for anything, you will fall for every single thing there is. You have to stand up for something, Sister Dyema. Me know you have a willpower when nobody can tell you what to do, and sometimes that is our killer. You see, sometimes we have a willpower and it a mash you up. Nobody can tell you what to do. But sometimes it's just the truth. It is just the truth. After figure it out, now have no visa and can't get none. Ivan, you run off and can't come back, so none of them should have any effect on you. No effect at all. Remember him carry piece up sheet come give you. At figure it out, carry piece up sheet come give you. Always remember say, a bush got that. A bush figure it out grow in a. Oh, if you make them people have things over, remember say them boy they have to live under filter because the truth them not so comely. Me don't know how you make them boy you feel like them a portion or nothing. Me don't know how to do it in about on a gifted. Cause me not give nobody my strength, my power, my nothing like that. Me claim everything that belongs to me. You're gonna figure it out, can't keep house. They must stop. You're general. Never you make your enemy see tears from your eyes. Never you make your enemy see you ball. Them can't shame you, Dyema. Number one, you have a business because you run a bar. Figure it out, don't even have an account. I must say Jabass alone on the live and spend him own money. I must say Jabass alone and the app and spend him own money. None of them no control of them dividends. So none of them can chat you. They must stop. Stop. Don't make the internet look for you like you're an idiot. Just stop. In all fairness, hey, one thing, them are gonna always hate me, because none of them don't know which part of it may make it hurt. Take away my salvation now. And then you say, all I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why you have to go. Cause this pain I feel won't go away. And today, no boy when me make can't hype on me. You mad? Look for your creation, Diamond, a ball over it. No boy when me make can't say nothing. Say, I can come out and say, you and Rosalie put them on them feet because a bush them a come from. Them can't tell you which herb heal you. Oh, them a bush doctor. None of them. Yeah, when you're upset down ball, class up them nastiness. So you have too much material in your phone to make them a walk on you. What a way them trust your mouth to say you can't keep secret. From you open your bar, I don't say no TikToker come down, they come say them a support you. I don't say no TikToker drive from far and say them a come support you. From you open your bar, I don't say none of them gather together. None of them. Oh, not even able boss where I walk around and I go like him a do census. I don't say none of them come support you. We not talk about Marvin because Marvin and she live in the same vicinity. So Marvin visit no count. Because Marvin could have very well want Andrews and stop by. Why would they? She's a Judas. What you mean she a Judas? After Dyema never come out and Judas Rosalie. Rosalie wicked Dyema. Dyema was Rosalie's chef. Guana man lady. Remember Rosalie buy out Akeem fighting with him and figure it out. She buy out the vexation. Remember figure it out never vex with Rosalie. Oh, figure it out and Akeem come on the app and them see man Rosalie buy out Akeem argument. None of us remember that. None of us remember that though. None of us remember that. Talk truth. So if Dyema want to be Judas, she deserve to be Judas. Nobody can Judas Rosalie because Rosalie is one of the biggest hypocrites. And one of the biggest hypocrite Rosalie be. So Dyema can be Judas more than Rosalie. So call a spade a spade. Oh. Call a spade. Me, Dyema call me. Dyema don't know say me I hide from my one man. Dyema don't know say me I hide from after me sit down on TikTok live. Me and TikTok live chatter, TikTok live go back and call me name to Dyema. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. Me I hide from Dyema for about 1 month now. Yeah. One a little bit and too cantankerous man here, so. Figure it out, for have several seats. Him too ungrateful. Him coming like Japriah. Him too switchy. 1 minute him not like Jaden, the next minute him like Jaden. And you see, oh, when Naya did attack, and attack about, hey, me not run joking now. One heap of batty joke, Jaden run with him. So tell him I love it, like it. Love it! Yeah. One heap of batty joke. Yeah. Me, I'm afraid. No, it's true. Whole heap of batty joke, them are hypocrite. Them pick them side. Dyema must stay away from, once she starts staying away from Jaden and Jabass, she's on the right path. Me not ask you know. Once she starts stay from them, she dey on the right path. Me not ask you know. Them are evil. Dyema knows her energy easy for suck and I pay energy sucker upon the app. Stay away from people, Dyema. People who not mean you no good. Sometimes when you don't talk on the live, sometimes when you talk on the live, them not even paying no mind. And that's the next thing. Sometimes when you talk on the live, Dyema, let me tell you something. Jaden not like you know. And this is just the truth. True. If you walk alone in the queue, nobody say, Jaden not like you know, Dyema. Oh, you can't stay there. But sometimes when I talk, when I think I hate people, no. That's just the truth. Jaden not like you. Jaden don't even like himself. Because he can't understand him image.